GarageBand is a free digital audio workstation and music recording app for iOS with support for iPad and iPhone. In this video, we're going to cover how to use the drum virtual instrument in GarageBand to create some drum beats. We'll go over how to play the drums with the touchscreen. Before checking out this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon to get notified whenever new videos are released. That way you can follow along with the rest of our GarageBand tutorial series. To start with drums, let's create a new drum track using the acoustic drums button. When we launch this, we can select our drum kit first by pressing the triangle in the top left. Then we can click the SoCal button. This is the default drum kit. On the left-hand side, we get acoustic, electronic, and percussion sections. We get multiple drum kits for each with different sounds that we can choose from. Let's select the vintage kit under acoustic drums. Now from our screen, we can touch the different components of the drum kit to hear the sound. We can start with some basic drum beats, and I'll use my index finger on my right hand to start touching the hi-hat, and my index finger on my left hand to start touching the kick drum and the snare. When you're ready to record a drum beat, we can press the record button at the top. It will give us a 4-beat count-in before the recording starts. Once you're done recording, press the stop button. If you don't like the recording, press the loop back button, which is the undo button towards the top right of the screen. This will remove that recording. You can also see the tracks button now appeared in the top left of the screen. This will bring up the tracks view where it will show us the recorded clips. One of the great features about recording with the touch instruments in GarageBand is that we can record multiple takes and overlay them. We can play the kick and snare drum in one take, wait for it to loop back, and then play the hi-hat in the second take. One of the other great features of using the touch instruments in GarageBand is what's called auto-quantization. Auto-quantization takes notes that we're playing with the touchpad and sets them so that they will be more in time with the musical grid. Playing on time using a touchscreen on the iPad or iPhone can be quite difficult, so this removes some of that variation and makes it sound a lot cleaner. To adjust the quantization, we need to press the track setting button again. We'll see a selector for quantization. We get some options for none, straight, triplet, and swing. We can set the resolution of the quantization here, and this can be set to quarter notes, eighth notes, 16th notes, 32nd notes, or 64th notes. Now that we've got a recording, we can go back to the tracks view and see that a MIDI clip has been created on our drum track. If we want to go back and change the sound of the drums, we can click the triangle button in the top left and swap our vintage kit for a different type of kit, such as the retro rock kit. Now we can go back and play the sound again, and it will sound like the retro rock kit instead of the vintage kit. That covers how to use the touch instrument for acoustic drums in GarageBand for iOS. In the next video, we'll cover how to use the beat sequencer to work with drum machines and electronic drums. Thanks for checking out this video on using drums in GarageBand for iOS. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get notified about any of our new videos. You can also check the video description for links to social media accounts to stay up to date on all our new content.